Daycare tunazingatia potty training kwa ustadi, michezo bunifu na ya kuelimisha, shughuli za kujifunza zilizopangwa kitaalam, malezi yanayojenga akili, tabia na kujiamini kwa mtoto wako. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, Hema Business Park, second floor, room number 2. Wasiliana nasi kupitia 0714824433 au 0752901005. Lea Wow Kids Daycare, learning through play, growth with joy.
Mwagasomia mwancho murigiriro Getembe Television, karibu sana. Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabono mwagaso chitariki ni Ibere mutinyo gatatu omwaka wega bwetiri bubere 25 onemo eriane Matildah Obaigwa, karibu sana tunyara koyasanga asinchira eri ya venekima na veni nyaboke korwa sebe manyiriro buna abotambe karansoke tunyara kumanya narari akorekanire kubwa muno ase liroba reto riagusi na negero tuguchaka no roboti rogo ichane kigima nigobono mupasokano omobe wepara onyare gukorekana asensemo ya menyingo iyo gutoka me county ya Kisii oyo tigire abantu babere basiretie amagemabo na boigo abande barene chingo machintindi asebono mupasokano oyo nigo egari ye matatu yanyara ko yetuma eka na kubwaterania epigipigi egentukirira abantu abange utigirwa chingoma na boigo nonyino bosombi gotenena ase chinseme icho abatigirwa chingoma nigobono obanyara komnyuki wasinya gitari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital ase bagende tukurwandira amagemabo na boigo babere komnyokiwa ase enkendu chibichecho chire ase mbeo. Gutigana nayo mwancho murigereria omorai osuburai ebwekegambiro ekenene meyensi ya Kenya nikobono bwanyara gutwara ekikaro rero mambia mono murai bwensi asia magacho State House asumuchio Nairobi ni chinga kicho nikobono abobisa kurwachi wizara au anamono buna area ayoborende bwaime na boigo ebyombe bitenerete amangana ayobosombi evwa para na boigo nebintu binde binge banyara wikirana asige karekyo nechinga kecho nigobono omo nene bw'ebigambiro omuske Martha Koome anyari gukwanira egati ya makongu ali ebigambiro bigwetera ime yensi ya Kenya nekiro atebiruna elio ebigambiro binyara kwanana oboene osobokolerio bya cha saba Kenya wika okubwaterana kobaroro kurwa ase serikali enene na boigo na wananchi.
And it provides a structured platform for sector-wide reforms because it was recognized that coordination and collaboration and partnership is critical in delivery of justice. None of us can succeed alone. We must work together and work with synergy. So the execution of this mandate is aimed at ensuring that the justice sector remains accountable and efficient and responsive in providing access to justice for the citizens. We realized when there are fatalities, accidents on the roads, it doesn't matter whether it is NTSA that has failed, whether it's the police that has failed, whether it's the prosecution or the courts, all of us as a country, we have failed our country. So within the NCAJ reform agenda, traffic justice reforms are central. They are driven by the need to address the persistent road traffic accidents and fatalities, as well as traffic congestion. The role of the justice sector in prevention, investigation, arrest, adjudication, and enforcement is central to achieving this objective.
Nechingakia chomwancho murigirira ni kubono Chief Justice Martha Koome anyare kubwatoka oroboti buna ebine binge ebibire ase bigambero imensi ya Kenya ni kubibwateraneti kuse bikobwaterania emipasokano oyechipara eyo ekobake okorekana ase chinsemo engana abolirie buna amangana yo apara anyare kurigirirwa elio koguswani nonyene mirimo ase nsemo yebigambero.
Road traffic accidents and fatalities, Your Excellency, remain high. I'll give a glimpse of what we have gone through recently. For instance, the financial year 2024-2025, 62,932 traffic cases were filed in courts. This comprised careless driving at 704, causing death at 787, contravening insurance at 3,509, county traffic rules violations at 69, driving under the influence at 2,991, obstruction at 6,917, violations of required speed limits at 556 and other offences at 47,400. A similar trend has been realized also in this current year, where we have already registered 33,532. We realize many of these traffic offences can be dealt with administratively, which means they can be removed from the criminal aspects of traffic offences and be dealt with administratively. I'll be coming to that shortly.
Na ichinga kicho mawaziri buboleni boime umuske Kipchumba Murkomen kawakwanira enganeyo nigo atebire abanyanyimbo bono mbaranyare komurekwa kigima ase chipara wetera chikamera echo chirabe kwaroro gose chibekire ase chinsemo chinde anemono ase chisiti ime yense ya Kenya nigo boigo atebire baria baratoke gose baratokene wale na momocho iyo kubwata amaki gusosangiriria amaki na kwena na amaki ase chipara niko barayimukiriwe egetambukiro egetindi kierichiko eliogo keania mipasukano ase chipara na boigo ebina ebyo binge bibwateraneti mipasukano ase chipara.
And the people of Kenya have been on our case, particularly the National Police Service, about collection of bribe by enforcement officers on the roads. We have no defense because it is the truth. It's not one of those things that you can stand here and defend because the people of Kenya see it all the time in our roads. And in our discussion, the answer is digitization and digital enforcement. You have already guided us to have cameras under the C4 project in 6 cities in the country. Nairobi will be ably covered, and a number of the cities, including Mombasa. Again, having cameras all over the place will make sure that these officers are held into account. Your Excellency, civic campaign will really need to be done. It's inevitable that our behavior on the roads is contributing immensely, including drinking and driving, people driving anyhow, a very bad border culture that seems to have become now the norm. Border now are being used not just to cause road traffic accidents, but to carry out criminal gangs activities around our cities. the regulations in this sector needs a major campaign for people of Kenya to accept that it is important to follow the law, but also we need to engage in very thorough enforcement. And the NPS is properly briefed on the need to have thorough enforcement in this sector.
Mugonyi bo murai wense umuske kithire kindiki niko bono atevire ense ya Kenya netware chinyagitari icio chirakonya kurwaria amaroire ao nande chibwate ebintu byonse biri biganirie iri gokonya abaroire ane muno buna ase mechando yoburoire bwa cancer na boigo amaroire ande aria kogania obokoreri bwa igoro muno erinde abaroire tibagotara gochiase chinyagitari chirare kaukona kurwase county ya Meru chingaki enyagitari ya Meru level 6 egenderete kwagacho nigatebire amaroire bono cancer nigabire umuchando monene asense ya Kenya nabo igoko guswaneria abakenya umuchando yo no kubagatira chinyagitari chikiranete nabo igo chibwate equipment ganeire na mariogo aisaine.
We are going to have all the facilities that we require for treatment of critical and chronic illnesses, for the treatment of cancer, the treatment of heart diseases, the treatment of kidney diseases, and any other disease, so that the residents of this region will have no reason to travel to Nairobi or to travel elsewhere for any kind of treatment. So we are going to get the best specialists, doctors, we are going to get the best medical personnel and the best facilities. And we are running this program simultaneously in the sense that as we develop the physical facilities, like the buildings we are putting up, we are also working to equip or to source for equipment at the same time, so that as the buildings come up, we'll just come and start installing the equipment. Modern MRI equipment, CT scans, and all the other complicated equipment that we require. And we are going to have quite a significant renal unit for kidney diseases and a cancer center. All those things, equipment, facilities, HR alignment are happening at the same time. So there is no cause of alarm. Otherwise, I thought I should come and say.
Tomirane nande Ekeonga Chinsa ikomiri tukurera omargoba edinde chinyareko yasanga asenchera yobwenge buna eyokorende gendera kwenyorera yo na yanda mange asenchera enyikirano kema ase emitandao yeto yekerero Facebook Getembe TV, YouTube Getembe TV, na wego Chinsa mocha TikTok otonyora muna Getembe TV and FM. Eriane Matildah Obaigwa na Veni Nyaboke kurwa save manyererio nere Elvis okoretera chivicha na muri gya sinchira engikirano twara uburigererio buya anomono ase umurobiri olebosio umurobiri letwa sorenere DJ Gripper na boigo MC Wiza Crown.